Hey guys, what's up? Sam channel here, and today I will be discussing what's going on now, and I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of advice. It's tough times. Like really, it really is tough times here, and so is it here, like in our house and everywhere else in the world, because the world is in a ginormous panic, if you didn't already know, which you probably do, so yeah. But a little bit of advice, stay inside. If you ever have to go outside, wash your hands first. Let's see. Oh yeah, wear a mask. Speaking of masks, my mom, she works in produce at Weaver Street Market in Chapel Hill. So yeah, you might want to go there, they got good food. But I'm just telling you this, if you shop at Weaver Street, like going there, you probably already know, but just telling you, if you ever need to shop at Weaver Street or you're an employee there, you have to wear a mask. And if you're not wearing a mask, one of the cashiers will tell you to wear a mask. They're at the front of the store. Speaking of that, something happened a few days ago. Day before yesterday, I think. So what happened was, just a normal day at the Weaver, and one guy came in without a mask, and the cashier told him to put on a mask, and guess what he did? He flipped the bird, at a cashier and walked out, and he was mad because of that. Literally. That you shouldn't do that. Literally. Like, people like that just, yeah. So just remember, wear a mask. If you want to prevent the coronavirus, if you want to prevent the coronavirus, wear a mask. All right, that's all I wanted to say. Peace out. See you guys next time on Sam Channel.